I've been monetized on YouTube for exactly 30 days, and now I'm going to show you what exactly happened during my first full month of earning money on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you my highest earning day, my lowest earning day, my highest performing video. I'm also going to show you what advertisers pay YouTube to show their ads in front of my videos. I'm also going to show you from that money what YouTube pays me per 1,000 views. Before I show you all these totals, let's start from the beginning, from when I made my first dollar on YouTube. So now we're going to jump in my highest and lowest days throughout the whole month. So on August 18th, this is whenever I got the email saying that I was approved for the YouTube Partner Program. And then on August 19th, that's whenever I got approved and I actually started getting revenue. So on Tuesday, August 19th, my first day was $3.33. We got $26.34, which is my highest day throughout the whole month of being monetized. And then if you go all the way over here to the 15th of September, you can see that my lowest day was 96 cents. So one thing that I am noticing is that the days that you earn the most and earn the least, it really correlates with the content that you are actually uploading. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go into what I actually uploaded throughout these 30 days of being monetized. If you are a DJ who is currently DJing in bars and clubs but want to make that transition to weddings and private events, I highly recommend you get my professional DJ business blueprint. In this blueprint, it is a 8-hour course and it teaches you everything that I do to book my clients. In the blueprint, you're going to learn how to respond to clients without getting ghosted. It's going to show you how to take clients from the inquiry into the meeting. Whenever you get into the meeting, it's going to show you how to sell your services and ultimately ask for the sale and get your first deposit. This is the exact blueprint on how I went from $7,000 to $70,000 on DJing alone. Link is in the description. So moving from what I got paid, the highest and lowest throughout the month. So now let's go into what I actually uploaded throughout the month as well. So these little icons right here are for shorts, and these big play icons, those are for videos. So on August 19th, it shows that I uploaded 2 videos. As you can see, these videos didn't really do too much. But then whenever you go up to this $26 day, what drove that was this video here. I actually uploaded a video on August 24th, and I uploaded a reel the same day. And pretty much this video right here, this is what drove this $26 day. So this video pretty much carried me throughout the whole month. And as you can see, I did upload another video. So this video right here was uploaded on the 24th of August. And then I had another video 6 days later. Another gig log is what I did. We have another video on August 30th. And then we have another video on August 3rd. That didn't really do too much. And then I had another video on September 6th. And this right here is directly correlated to another spike. Looking at this, I can tell pretty much a day or two after I upload a video, this is whenever you're going to see your highest spike in my case. So after I uploaded this video August 24th, then August 25th, I got that spike. Then we go over here to September 3rd. It didn't really have any spikes there. It just rode that momentum. But then if you go over here to September 6th, then that spike right after that was a $7.59 day. I didn't really upload any more videos, but I was doing my shorts. And from that, you can see the revenue is actually reflecting that. So it's looking like that the shorts don't really contribute much to revenue, but the long form videos actually do. So now that we already know what videos are actually moving the needle, now what I'm going to do is go into my top performing videos. So like I said before, this video that I uploaded on the 24th of August, let's go here. So here we are down here at the bottom. This right here is my top performing video. And if you click on this video, you can see that this video right here, it got 15,000 views. It got watch time of 3.5 thousand watch time. And this video right here had 359 subscribers. If you go over to revenue, this video right here actually got me $173. So this right here was the bulk of pretty much my entire revenue for the entire month. So now let's go to my next highest performing video. And this video right here, it is a gig log. So what I'm finding out is gig logs is really what moves the needle on my channel. So this other video, I have uploaded it on, so this video was uploaded on August 5th. If you click on this video, we can see what the numbers are for this. So this video, we have 13.3 thousand views. We have watch time of 1.3 thousand watch time. We have 205 subscribers, and we have an estimated revenue of $17.47. Now let's go over to my next video. This video right here is called talking about don't DJ weddings until you stop these 5 mistakes. So we click on this video here. This video got 6.8 thousand views. It got 553 watch time. We also got 188 subscribers, and we got an estimated revenue of $12.52. And then we're going over to my next video right here, and this is this $200 an hour gig log. So we click on this video here. This video got 3.2 thousand views. Then we have a watch time of 228 watch hours. We have 57 subscribers, and this video got $16.73. Then we have my next long form video, and that is my $1,100 gig log. We click on this video here, and this video got 1.6 thousand views, and we have a total of 163 watch hours. Then we have 13 subscribers, and this video made me $10.88. And this video, it was released on September 6th down here at the bottom. And then I also do have some other videos from some other top content, so to speak, but these are shorts. But shorts don't really move the needle that much, so I don't want to jump into this. But what shorts does is, in between you uploading your long form videos, the shorts bring eyeballs from your shorts to your actually long form video. So during this 30 days, the days that you are not uploading long form content, I highly recommend that you repurpose your shorts from other social media. If you have shorts on TikTok or shorts on Instagram, I highly recommend you repurposing those videos to your YouTube shorts. And a pro tip of that is to make sure that you are making shorts that coincide with the type of long form videos that you are making. For example, if you are making videos on gig logs and DJ setups, you want to make sure that your shorts are maybe teasing those long form content. What you can do is you can cut that up and make shorts out of it. Or if you have shorts that is on your gig logs or your DJ equipment that you made for the gig log, you can upload it in shorts and then link that video to your long form video. So pretty much you are cutting up your long form content, making shorts of it, and posting your shorts so that way those eyeballs can then go from your shorts to your long form video. So now, since we're talking about content, what I want to do is break down my top performing content and the CPM and the RPM. The CPM is what advertisers pay YouTube to get in front of your content, and then the RPM is what the YouTube pays you per 1,000 views. So my CPM for this video right here is $28, which is really high. And the reason why it's high is because this video was an hour and 24 minutes. So YouTube likes to reward those long videos. And also too, I was actually talking about a gig log, and I was really showing like a lot of gems and a lot of useful information that can help DJs out. And I'm assuming this is why my CPM was very high. And whenever your CPM is high, 9 times out of 10, your RPM is going to be high. So my RPM for this video was $11.36. So what this means is, per 1,000 views, YouTube paid me $11.36 per 1,000 views. So this is very high for my niche. And really what this means is, based off of what you are talking about in your videos, is how YouTube is going to rate your RPM and CPM. I can tell you from my video is, in this video, I was really talking about what people made as DJs. I was actually talking about my 100th wedding. Just pretty much giving a lot of value, and whatever that caused to the algorithm, it caused the algorithm to boost my RPM and CPM up, which drove my revenue really high for this type of video. Really quick, I want to let you know that I just launched my brand new channel membership. I actually have two different tiers. I have my supporters and I have my super supporters. On my supporter tier, you're going to get priority to reply to comments. So that means that I'm going to respond to all of your comments, and I normally respond to the comments in less than 30 minutes. You're also going to get early access to all of my videos. So that means whenever I upload a video, the supporters will see it first. And then I have my super supporter tier. My super supporter tier, you're going to get everything from my supporter tier, and you're going to get members only shorts. You're also going to get members only videos. You're also going to get discounted merchandise. What that means is I'm going to give all of my super supporters 30% off of any and everything out of my digital store. So that means if you want an ebook, if you want a DJ course, if you want a master class, even if you want my one-on-one coaching, I'm going to give you 30% off of everything. Link is in the description. So this right here is another gig log, but if you go to your revenue, it's not as high as the other one. The other one was well over $20. This right here is half that. Same thing here. Before, my RPM was $11. This right here is $1.32. Same type of video, it's still a gig log, but this gig log wasn't as long. It was a fraction of the time, but also the revenue reflected that as well. I didn't get as much revenue for this one, and also too, the views wasn't as high in this one as well. But whenever you are making your videos, make sure that you give as much value as possible in a short amount of time. The hack that I did in my video is I made it long, but throughout this long video, it was pretty much packed with value. I do want to let you know that those are two things that made my videos an outlier. And here is another video. The CPM was $14.73. My RPM was $5.29. All right, so this right here was a little higher. The total revenue for this one was $16.73. And also too, with this video, I did get 3.3 thousand views for this one. So this video was a gig log, but it was shorter than the other one. The other one was 34 minutes. This right here was 14 minutes. So I'm not sure why algorithm was off as far as what they paid me, but this did do better than the other ones as far as its revenue. So I just want to show you from that. And if you want to go look at that video and see what the difference in the two videos, really both videos, they were both gig logs. And I think the outlier was this video and the video I just showed you before. That was a non-wedding gig log, but the wedding gig log, the one that was an hour and a half, that was the one that drove the highest revenue. So what I could confidently say is I'm thinking that the wedding gig logs is what is paying the most for that. So as you can see, my wedding gig log right here, it was an hour and 24 minutes. I got 15,000 views, and then it was 13 and a half minutes is what people viewed. But from that 13 and a half minutes, you can look at the revenue, and I did make $173 off of that. So I think the hack for this is wedding gig logs is what's paying. So if you want to mimic this, I would say put your time and effort into your wedding gig logs. So after 30 days of being monetized on YouTube, my channel got 60.8 thousand views, 5.6 thousand watch hours, 873 subscribers, and we have a total of $230.98. So some key takeaways from this, I want to show you what exactly I posted. So on the long form, I posted 6 long form videos, and then for shorts, I posted 13 shorts. So pretty much from this point here all the way up. Shorts don't really move the needle that much, so I would say you should use shorts to keep feeding the algorithm in between your long form. The long form is what really moves the needle. So what I did was I posted those 6 long form videos, and that is what really moved the needle. I would say there was one video that really took the bulk of all the revenue. So I would say just keep posting, but whenever you do find something that sticks, you want to double down on that. In my case, what I found out is that the wedding gig logs is what really hits. that one wedding gig log, the one that was over an hour long, that one right there was the biggest video of the month. So what I'm going to do moving forward, I want to make sure that whenever I am having my wedding gig logs, I want to make sure to go all in, because obviously the YouTube algorithm loves that. And if the algorithm loves it, it's going to continue to pay and put ads in front of all these people, so that way you can make more money on YouTube. And if you are a DJ who needs help booking more gigs or private events, or a DJ who needs help achieving their goals, I highly recommend you schedule a free one-on-one consultation. The link is in the description. During this 15 minutes, we'll quickly build rapport, and then we'll come up with a game plan to achieve your goals. If we run out of time during this 15 minutes and we need more time, we can then move into a full 1 hour paid one-on-one coaching. And during this coaching, we'll have more time to deep dive into your goals, help you book more gigs as a DJ, or tackle any obstacle that you are currently facing right now as you make your move in the professional DJ realm. If you want to see the rest of my gig logs and all of my behind the scenes and my DJ setups, check out this video right here. But YouTube says that this video right here is going to be the best for you. It's your choice. You can't go wrong with either one. I'd say do this one. And then once you're done, do this one.